Solana could make you a millionaire if you play your cards right. What's going on, everyone? It's Greeny here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're looking at Solana and the potential lucrative opportunities that you can find yourself playing if you play your cards right across the Solana blockchain. If you like my content, please subscribe down below. Turn on that notification bell so you stay up to date with my daily crypto videos. I'm currently running a private sale in my alpha group. If this is something you're interested in, please reach out to me via DMs on Twitter. And if you are looking for free resources to Greeny, you can look at all my content in the description down below as well. Today's video, we're focusing on Solana, Memecoins, and NFTs. Now, there's no doubt that Solana has been on an absolute tear. It's gone up 4x in the space of the last couple months. And essentially, where you want to be placing your bets is the narratives underneath that ecosystem of Solana. So, essentially, what I start to look for is better plays on top of the blockchain that is also going up exponentially. So, for example, there are plenty of NFTs, there's plenty of meme coins that we'll touch on today on Solana that I think could make some future millionaires out there. So to start off with, we're going to start with Bonk. Now, Bonk, I'm sure you've heard of it before. It's one of the top, or it is, sorry, the top meme coin on Solana. If you have a look at this ridiculous chart, so this was literally end of October, so we've just gone over the 5-week mark, and it has gone up an exponential amount. Okay, so if I was to drag that all the way to the top, that's a 93x in the space of a month. Where else do you see those gains except in crypto? However, the narrative I want you to really make clear today is that meme coins and NFTs on top of a blockchain that are also going up, okay, is how millionaires are made. So think back to last cycle. We had the apes on Ethereum. Now they went from literally about 10 ETH all the way up to 150 ETH. Now, one floor ape was worth $450,000 at one particular time because ETH also went up at the same time. Now that's where I'm placing my bets this cycle with Solana. Okay, so as Solana trends up nice and healthily, I also think NFTs and meme coins on Solana will outperform that / add multiple X's to your Solana bags because they are also running hot. Okay, evidence right here in this chart. Bonk up to 760 million. Okay, so that's one of the top meme coins in this space. That's nearly top 5 meme coins in crypto. So that's pretty crazy. Okay, now obviously they have a big product. Okay, so if you're into meme coins, you can get the Bonk bot like I showed you in my previous video. Down below, you can check that out. But BonkBot is a easy way to trade on Solana meme coins. We're going to look at a couple more Solana meme coins that I think obviously could outperform this current cycle. There's still plenty to be observed during the upcoming weeks and obviously into next year. Some of the biggest gains will obviously be new coins that we haven't even seen on the market yet / new NFTs that might also pop onto the market. So be sure to keep watching this video so you can stay up to date with some of the plays that I think are very lucrative in Solana. The next meme coin that I'm looking at is Myro. Okay, so Myro, if you don't know the meme, it's a big meme in Solana. Okay, essentially, if you look at this chart, it's only been around since the start of November, so it's only literally a month old, and it's gone up again an 80x since that point in time. Okay, it's at 36 million. Obviously, looking at my chart right here, I do think that it could move up nice and clearly into the coming months, and that's definitely another meme coin that I've got on my list for Solana. The next one is Guacamole. Now, if we just remove some of these charts, again, you're going to see a common trend here across these meme coins. Okay, it's just absolutely absurd how quick these can go up. All right, and that's essentially what I want you guys to focus on, finding these plays nice and early, getting exposure to them so that you can reap up the 20x, but also hit up that Solana that's also hitting a 5x over the same period of time. So if you times 5x by 20x, okay, that's 100x, okay, in a short amount of time. So we have a look at Guacamole here. All right, if we were to buy even just 2 weeks ago, okay, the chart is up a ridiculous 13x, okay. Where else do you find these sort of gains? All right, now these are just the meme coins that I'm looking. Obviously, there's some NFT plays that I think could make some crypto millionaires. The main one I have strong conviction in is obviously Madlads. Now, I am a holder. I will disclose that. Okay, I got in to the Madlads ecosystem around 83 SOL. It's obviously hitting a peak right now at 218 SOL. There's so many reasons that this will make so many millionaires in crypto, okay, in Solana itself, but also the broader community. All right, so have a look at this chart. It is incredible, just the returns, okay, over the past couple of weeks. So again, it broke out of its trend. If the chart wants to let me draw, it's not going to let me draw, no troubles at all. But if you have a look here, okay, this chart has gone up exponentially. Okay, so literally at the start of November, so literally a month ago, it was at 57 SOL. Okay, so we've already seen a 4x in Madlads. Now, it's more than just the returns of the NFT, okay? You got to think about some of the utility side of these NFTs, but also the meme coins. So if I go back to Bonk, the utility side is that Bonk bot, okay? That's insane. That's such an easy play when you're trading on meme coins on Solana. The reason Madlads is also exponentially growing is because of its access in the Solana ecosystem. It's the premier NFT. You're getting airdrops, you're getting exposure to some of the biggest players across several different blockchains, but also on the Solana ecosystem. And that's where I'm hedging my bets. My main play is Madlads. The next one I want you to look at is Bogos. Now, there's no secret, I love the Bogos. I've been a Bogo ever since mint day. You've seen my hot doggo as my Twitter profile picture and my YouTube profile picture here as well. But if you have a look at this chart, okay, we're accumulating doggos down here, okay, and this is where you want to be buying. You want to be buying essentially when the market is either moving down or when the market is consolidating sideways, okay, waiting for that breakout, because as liquidity enters crypto, as it enters BTC, it trickles down into the more risky assets, which we would clarify as these meme coins and NFTs. However, they are the most lucrative plays in the crypto space. So have a look here. It was way down to 1 or 2 sol, okay, it's now back up and pumped to over 10 sol just yesterday. We're consolidating here at 8.5, but the main thing I want you to look at is also how much listings has gone down, okay? That's a significant factor for me when I start looking at potential plays, okay? You want to be seeing the community holding on to their assets, and you want to see volume come in, and you want that floor to be moving up. So that's the second play that I have as evidence of hedging your bets against Solana. So again, if we look at the time frame, within a month, these have gone up literally about a 6-7x, okay? Again, Solana in the last month has consolidated. So whilst holding Solana, you would have just gone break even. However, if you're holding Solana, but you're using that Solana by doing other plays, such as NFTs and meme coins, that's where you can really start to exponentially build up your portfolio. Next play, Claynosaurus. Again, this chart just screams 100 sol, okay? We're currently at 62 sol. I got in 38, okay? So that's nearly a 2x already. Again, as I said before, you want to make sure that you're buying in when it's consolidating, or as it is taking the breakout there on the yellow trend line and moving up, all right? If you haven't looked into Claynosaurus, okay, incredible potential, all right? They have some of the top tier animators across the world, all right? People that work with Disney, Pixar, Game of Thrones, top movies and TV shows across the whole world that we have seen across the last couple of years. So definitely have a look into Claynosaurus. It's one that I think could actually definitely hit over its all-time high of 105 sol and move up even higher than there, okay? Again, I trade on utility, but I also trade on chart setup, as you can see here, okay? The next one I wanted to show you is the OKEx. Now, again, this would have been an excellent trade down here. So I saw these at 13 sol. Again, I actually didn't take this trade to just give you a bit of information, but they broke out, they hit about a 40 sol floor before pulling back to the mid-20s right now, okay? And again, they have this narrative where they have utility across Fortnite, across some merch, across some other utility that I'm excited about for the bears. So this is one that I am keeping on my watch list if we do see some lower prices. Again, during that short amount of time, so this is on the weekly, okay, it was down here at 14 sol and it pumped nearly a 3x within a week, okay? Again, as Solana was consolidating, this is a way that you can build up new Solana bags across that market. The next one I want to show you is Torians, okay? So again, if you haven't heard of some of the Solana platforms that you can use to trade NFTs, this is Sniper, obviously, that I've got on my screen, but Tensors is another one, okay? This is the NFT that you can hold to have access and future utility for that. They also have an incoming airdrop, so something to be mindful of. But again, as you can see here, this chart is the same. So it accumulated and consolidated for a period of time. It then moved up exponentially to literally 70 sol. So that's nearly a 7x in the space of the time of the last month, okay? Sorry, not a 70x, 7x in the space of the last month, okay? Again, same narrative as what I've been saying. Meme coins, NFTs, get exposure to them on the blockchain that you think is going to trend upwards over time, and that for me is Solana. The last one I want to just show you is the free mint stage, okay? So last cycle on ETH, we saw free NFT mints that went exponential, right? Nakamoto, so many different ones, Nakamego, sorry. Plenty of different mints that ran up to even several ETH, okay? So that's where you want to start looking into the market as well, okay? Very degen, but also very lucrative. So if you look here, it was at 2 sold yesterday after it dumped after its mint, okay? And it's already pumped up to 4 sold yesterday, so it's easy 2x within a short amount of hours, okay? And as you can see here, the trend is moving up and the listings are going down. That would be one that I would keep on my radar as well, okay? The last one I want to talk to you about is a medium to long-term play, but could probably be one of the better plays if you play your cards right, and that is 10K club digits on Solana. So we all know about Ethereum name service. We're talking about Solana name services, and I'm sure you've seen this on my Twitter, but I have a collection of these. I own 5 at the moment. I just see these hitting several sol. Okay, it's already up 2x in the past couple weeks, and I just don't see it really stopping. Okay, people love this sort of stuff. It's a collector's item. It's a 10K club on one of the top leading blockchains. It's a no-brainer in my opinion. Obviously, if you're even more of a collector, you can get into the browse categories here and look at the top 1000 club. Obviously, they run a little bit more of a premium compared to the 10K club. If you're someone that wants to meet your name on there, you can do that too for about $20 I believe. As you can see here, this chart is starting to really catch on. The volume's catching on, and people are waking up to the market. ENS last cycle ran several ETH as the digits, and that's where I'm placing my bets as well. So again, here are some of the plays that I've talked to you about today. It's Memecoins and NFTs on the Solana blockchain, because I know Solana is going to outperform probably a lot of other altcoins. So you want to have exposure, but you want to have that exponential exposure by also adding to your soul bags on top of other plays, so that by the end of the cycle, you can accumulate that exponential bag, and some might become millionaires from some of these plays that we're seeing today. So thanks again for watching the video. I hope you found this informative. These are some of the plays that I've been playing, and where I think I'm going to keep playing my my narratives over the next couple of months. So be sure to comment down below what you're looking at in the market, whether you're a soul bull as well. Please let me know. Smash that like button. It helps support me and my growth here on YouTube. I'm dropping daily videos, so please subscribe, hit that notification bell. Again, I'm running that sale on my private group. If that's something you're interested in, please reach out over my DMs on Twitter. And again, as always, I hope you're well, and I'll see you again soon.